This is my special greetings to you, all my lover ones, all my clients. I want to take this opportunity to tell you that if you can't travel to my place because of maybe you are a big man, you can't travel to my place, you have to send the money. I will do what you want for you, or you can invite me your country. Now I'm here because of somebody here. I'm here because of someone. I want to do the person work. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you, you also, you can invite me your country. You can invite me your country. I'm here Togo right now. I'm here Togo right now. So I want to tell you, you can send money or you can invite me. Buy your plane ticket. You buy my plane ticket. I have my 2 boys so that we can travel to you. I'll come there and perform what you want for you. You want to be a president, you want to be a governor, you want to be a member of parliament. You can invite me your country. I can come there and perform it for you. You game it wherever you are without 0242 70 80 68. I mentioned these numbers because of the fraud guys editing my videos, my pictures, putting their number on it for the people. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you, if you see my everything on social media without 0242 70 80 68 is fraud. 0242 70 80 68 is fraud, or 02444 82 81 6. Without this number is fraud. Shine your eyes and know the real one who is talking to you. The really Chief Malam Zaki, God bless me already with powers, so I can travel to anywhere. So you go to my social, my Facebook. Go and type Zaki Sakwacha TV. You see, I help so many people. They are witness. They say I should use their video and put it there so that they will be a witness. So go there and search it. You see how they are performing, how I perform for them, how they are happy. Because of you, I'm doing all this because of you. If not, the fraud guy will fraud you. So I want to tell you, if you see my everything on social media, Lucky, especially Lucky, Facebook, YouTube, they are using my videos, fake names, fake accounts, fake pictures, frauding you guys. Be wise and know the really Chief Malam Zaki. I have 2 branches, Kumasi and Accra. If you are to send money, you have to be careful. Call me on video call, tell me you want to send the money. So I want to call you on video. Chief, let me see your face. Wave me and let me see. Chief, let me see this your phone, or this your watch, or Apple Watch, or gold watch, or diamond watch. You can ask me for your own sake, because you have to send money to the right person. Don't send your money to any fraud guy. After all, you call me, complain, Chief, somebody use your picture, fraud me. Please. You are my friend, you are my brother, you are my sister, you are my father, you are my junior brother, you are my junior sister. Please, maybe me also, I'm your father. So please, I'm